So in this video, I decided that I'd try to do an attempt on unboxing, because I've never done that on this channel before, so I thought I'd give it a go. So this box has been sitting in my room since March. These are the drop spindles that I ordered a while ago. And these are pretty important when it comes to lowering your truck, especially once you get something like the Beltech Street Performance shocks, which is in my Hardbody. Problem is that these spindles aren't in yet, and I don't have a lot of suspension travel, and that's the reason why my shock mount broke so many times. It wasn't because of rust. It's just not enough suspension travel, so it's hitting it until it breaks. So we're just gonna get up in it and, unbox it. So as you can see, the condition of this box is, pretty good condition. It's not beat up or anything. I believe I got this through Summit Racing. So the first thing that we have here is installation instructions. Oh, comes with stickers actually. Nice. Yeah. This will work for Datsun 720, two-wheel drive pickups, and Nissan Hardbody two-wheel drive pickups. Well, the instructions on these are exactly the same. The instructions are exactly the same, but up here it says 2005, and then up here it says 2010, so 2005, 2005, 2010. Like, the instructions, I just read them, they're pretty much the same. So, there's that. Has two stickers. Nice. Has this piece of wood here. I guess this is to protect it from, in case it gets dropped. And as you can see around here, there is wood all around. I'm pretty sure there's one on the bottom too. So, got some packaging. Comes with some hardware. Comes with a couple of cotter pins in here. Couple cotter pins, bolts, looks like spacers. Yeah, but you see cotter pins are right in there. Let's get into this. Looks like the spindles have been coated in oil so it doesn't rust. Yeah, it's got some more coating on it so it doesn't rust. That's the one side. Let's see the other side. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. If there's anything else in here. No, it looks like that's it. Let me just put that back in there. that. An unboxing and reboxing right there. But yeah, let's read this thing right here. Congratulations, you were selected enough to choose a Beltech product. We have spent many hours developing our line of products so that you will receive maximum performance within difficulty during installation. A lot of warnings, reminders, and notes, recommendations for kit installation. Step by step, up to 22 steps. The description of what comes with it, and photos to give you a reference of stuff. And this is the same exact thing. Now, there's one thing that I'm going to be doing with this thing, and it's going to take a while before I can actually do it and install it into the Hardbody. I'm going to pull this shit back out again. Why did I... There we go. So, with the Nissan Hardbody, since I'm drifting it, I'm trying to get more angle. So, I have to figure out how much I need to cut and then weld it. So, this is going to be the more time-consuming part. Not sure how much I should cut on this thing, but I'll figure it out. Eventually, I will. Now to rebox. Yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing video. It's the first time ever doing one. Not sure if I'll ever do another one, but who knows. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. So the thing with the Hardbody is I'm trying to get more angle. So I gotta figure out how much of this needs. Ah,